can't.
Why can't I go out there? You can stay here.
Shh, I'm recording. What's up, guys? Peyton 18 here playing Madden Info Mobile, and I'm gonna show you special. Look at how many coins I have, and that's not the best part. The best part is gonna be. Oh crap! Come on, turn it down. Sorry. Whoa, that's not on. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Okay, let's go straight ahead into the first pack. See if it's something good here. And we get, oh, that's actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good. Here we go, here we go. Oh my gosh, look, Kickley! Wow! Oh my gosh! This is not even the best part of the video! Holy crap! 84 DT, I'll take them. Holy crap. So now I think they're going to like put it in where every gold and every like elite's gonna be on the right side. Come on, let's get up there. Robert Griffin III. He used to be good. He used to be my little brother's favorite player. And Redskins used to be my little brother's favorite team. Oh. Okay. That was a nice way to start out the pack opening. Oh, God, really? Oh, my gosh. 2. I know it was an update team, but 2 elites already. And that's not even, and I'm going to have another elite coming in this pack opening too, because I completed 6. Dang, that's actually pretty nice. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh man. Man, I got 2 elites to sell now. I think. I don't know. Got a couple more packs left. By like, I don't know how many, by 1 more. Okay, then here comes the second to the last pack. Let's do reveal all. Okay, Joe Flacco. Let me go to my team. Let's see my defense. Yeah, I got rid of CJ Mosley. So yeah, I got those two selling all of these golds. And I can put all these silvers into, dang, I got a lot of silvers, into golds, and I can sell the golds and then put these all into the trophies. See, look, sets. And here we go. The moment that I have been waiting for. This is my second chance to the elite trophies last. Man. 2 freaking elites. Oh my gosh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's clean. I'm actually going to cover the player card up, and I'm going to not like beside the like where this thing is, you know, right now, like I usually do. Okay, there we go. Update team. Oh my gosh, my first ever offensive lineman as a elite. G freaking G, guys. So Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Hey, let me see how much time I've been recording for you. 5 minutes, so let's do this right here. Let's go to and if my calculations are correct, I'll be doing another one of these if I do this. Okay, let's go finish this one. And let's do another. Let's finish this game. Let's do another pro pack. Cause we're awesome. Been an exciting day, man. 3 elites in 1 day. That's most ever. But I've never reacted more since I got the Rob Gronkowski. Whenever I got him, that was my first ever elite pull from a pro pack. I was like jumping up and down. I swear, I was like super happy. Holy crap! I could have 2 elites to sell about 50,000 each, so I get to make my money back. And I got a lot of golds too, so I get to make my money back. So, GG. I could be having more money too, so I'll be making a pro pack opening. And it's gonna be no good. Heck yeah, heck yeah, heck yeah, heck yeah. G freaking G dogs. What should I do? Be like this because of my profile picture? I'll be like, what's up, dogs? This is Peyton. Like that. That would just be stupid because I just said that, you know. Like, what's up, dogs? This is Peyton of 18 here. Come back at you with another pro pack opening of Madden mobile. Birthday. I can't say it on this. You don't, but y'all might. I do that crap in real life, you know. This, if you have like a great, like a elite tight end like mine, Rob Gronkowski, if you run this play, 90% of the time they will catch it. And look at that. Look at that. I told you. But 90% will most of the time. If you, like, you know. Well, mine got like 90 plus catch. So, yeah. After this play, if I get a first down. Well, actually, just try to finish it. Let me see. Quarterback. Let's see how much I've been recording for. 8 minutes. Okay. Continue. Man, the second pro pack, whenever I got that update team, I was like, oh my gosh. And then I was like, no Keckley! My brother just left, you know. He's probably mad because he wants Cam Newton on his team, and I got Cam Newton out of pro pack on my, and I opened pro packs on his, got nothing out of it. We're gonna do this base cut like 3, 2, 1. There we go. We just have to let the clock run down, boys. Let's kick a field goal. Field goal. I don't even know what that is. I've already missed a extra point. And a field goal this game. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That curves to the right. That's curved. That's good. There we go. So yeah, let's do the last pack, even though now my calculations were not correct. Dang nabbit. 181, really? Really? So like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and peace.